In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printful Design Maker. By the end, you'll feel comfortable moving from a blank product to a polished design inside Printful's built-in editor, all without leaving your browser. First, open the Printful website. If you already have an account, log in with your secure credentials. From your dashboard, look for the Add Product button. This is your starting point for any new design. Click it. Then browse the catalog and choose the product you want to customize. Think t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or totes. Once you've picked the exact item, select the Design option to launch the Design Maker tool. Inside the Design Maker, you'll see the product preview and a clearly marked print area. This is your canvas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the controls. You can zoom in for precision, drag to reposition elements, and use the side panels to access tools and settings. The guides help you keep important elements safely within the printable zone, which is crucial for clean results. Before adding anything, explore all available views. Use the view switcher to move between the front, back, sleeves, or other angles your product supports. This ensures your design looks consistent from every perspective and helps you avoid placing elements too close to seams or edges. Let's start by adding text. Choose the text tool, type your message, and then customize it. You can pick a font that matches your brand's tone, adjust the size, color, and alignment, and fine-tune letter spacing and line height for readability. If the editor offers curved text or outline options, use them to create emphasis without overcrowding the design. A helpful tip: keep text large enough to be legible at arm's length and avoid extremely thin lines for better print clarity. Next, add clip arts. Open the clip art library, browse categories, or use the search bar to find graphics that complement your message. Click to place a graphic on the canvas, then resize, rotate, or recolor it if the asset supports color changes. Layer your clip art with your text by sending elements forward or backward so everything sits exactly where you want. For a balanced composition, center key elements and use alignment guides to keep spacing even. Remember, you can do just about anything here. Duplicate elements, lock layers to prevent accidental moves, and use undo or redo to refine quickly. When everything looks good, review all views one more time to confirm your design stays within the safe area and appears aligned across the product. That's the core workflow for using Printful's Design Maker. Simple, flexible, and ready for your creativity.